Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 GMC Savana van, a true transformation of power, luxury, and advanced technology. This is not just another van, it's a full evolution of GMC's iconic workhorse, now redesigned to deliver style, strength, and comfort in every mile. Whether you're running a business, traveling with family, or planning your next adventure, the 2026 Savana is built to do it all, and do it better than ever. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Savana commands attention. GMC has redefined its design with a bold front grille, massive LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines that make this van look modern and aggressive. The sculpted body and chrome accents give it a premium edge, while improved aerodynamics help boost performance and fuel efficiency. The new Savana doesn't just work hard, it looks amazing doing it. Under the hood, GMC offers 3 powerful engine options to meet every need. The base 6.6-liter V8 provides raw muscle for towing and hauling. The 3.0-liter turbo diesel offers incredible torque and fuel efficiency, and the all-new electric version takes things to the next level with instant power delivery and up to 300 miles of range on a full charge. No matter which version you choose, the 2026 Savana guarantees smooth, confident performance for work or play. Inside, the transformation is breathtaking. GMC has completely redesigned the cabin to combine comfort, technology, and practicality. The dashboard now features a massive 15-inch infotainment touchscreen with GMC's latest IntelliLink system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Wi-Fi. The digital driver display provides all key information in real time, while the new sound insulation makes your ride whisper quiet. The leather seating is plush and supportive, and the climate control system ensures total comfort for every passenger. But what really sets the 2026 Savana apart is its versatility. GMC designed it to fit every lifestyle, from business owners needing a reliable cargo hauler to families or van life travelers looking for space and comfort. The modular seating design allows you to fold, remove, or reconfigure seats based on your needs. For camper conversions, the flat floor layout makes it perfect to transform into a mobile home with sleeping space, kitchenette, and storage, a true home on wheels. Safety has also taken a massive leap forward. GMC now includes advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and a 360-degree camera system. Combined with improved braking and suspension, the Savana offers unmatched control, stability, and confidence on any journey. The 2026 GMC Savana van isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. It combines raw strength, refined comfort, and futuristic technology in a package that's designed to handle any challenge. GMC has taken everything drivers loved about the Savana and made it smarter, stronger, and more stylish than ever. So, what do you think about the all-new 2026 GMC Savana? Has GMC just created the ultimate all-purpose van? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this review, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.